Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 1, Impact of Digital Technology. In this module, you'll be reading about the impact digital technology has on society and some of the technology you find in your everyday life. One of the terms that you may have heard in the past but will be emphasized in this chapter is the Internet of Things, where everything is connecting to the internet, like your doorbell, for example. And how that impacts your daily life. Okay, so what you'll find in this section, if you scroll down, you'll see this Module 1 notes. This is a PowerPoint presentation that just summarizes the chapter and should help you approach the chapter and study the chapter. This here, what you'll notice with these, anything that says external learning tool, right? So this is an external learning tool link. This is as well. This is as well. These will take you directly into MindTap, your book. If I click on this link, notice there's no due date. This is simply the reading. So this is going to take me to the section of the book, Module 1, and the reading material for that section. The skills training are videos. The videos are short and will give you the high-level topic for the chapter. So there are several of them, and I'll show you in just a moment how to get in there. And then finally, the practice quiz. This is an assignment that has a due date and it affects your grade. And you can tell the difference because this has a due date. These do not have due dates. So if I click on this link, this one's not enabled at this moment because the start time is at midnight on January 20th. If you click on this link, it'll take you directly. Practice quizzes usually are just made up of multiple choice. Okay, so if I demonstrate this link here, it will take you directly to that activity. That was a Read Module 1. So where it takes you, Read Module 1, it opens up the table of contents, and you can just click Next Page to begin reading. And if you, I'm just going to click over here, each of these that have a link are vocabulary terms, so you can click on it and get the definition here. The other thing you should keep in mind is when you're reading, it remembers where you left off. So if you were to stop here, I'm going to close this browser and then go back and click on that link again, it's going to take you right back to where you were. So it's kind of a nice feature in the sense that it'll keep your progress and it'll remember your progress, I should say. Okay, the other thing I want to point out, so I'm going to X out of here, and this is your table of contents. So if I click on Technology for Success, this is Module 1. The parts that you have available to you in each of the modules are Learn It, Study It, Apply It. Everything you need is usually under Learn It. You'll have the read, you'll have the skills training, these are short videos, and you'll have the practice quiz that is for grade. Right? And that's usually how I have each of these modules set up. The Study It and Apply It are helpful tools for you to support your learning. So you may want to go in here and take a look at what's available to you. You may not. But again, it will just support the learning of the module. I want to show you very quickly how the training works. So if you click on the training, okay, and then just click Start. I'll just make this bigger. Right here in the upper left, you'll see you have task 1 of 26. There are 26 training videos. And if I click on the hamburger looking menu, these are those 26 tasks, and it tells you what topic they cover. Describe how digital technology has revolutionized society. Use the Internet of Things in daily life. Perform daily living tasks online. So you can click on any one of these. I'm going to go to Use Embedded Computers in Stores. And notice that there's a 1-minute 30-second video on this topic. You can play.
Embedded technologies play a crucial role.
Okay, and so you might get an explanation of what this is. You might get an illustration. There are examples, etc. And so each of these are very short, but very helpful in learning the material in the course. Okay. I am not tracking grades on the skills training. Those are just helpful for you. I'm going to go back to our module. And so here I have the direct link for the reading, I have the direct link for the skills training, and I have the direct link for the practice quiz. You might want to just go into MindTap. This will take you to the book, and then you can navigate from there. That's up to you. The last thing you'll see in this module is discussion 1, introduce yourself. Note that this is 4th grade and due on January 27th with your initial post due on, I believe I made it Saturday to give everybody enough time, the 24th. So do take a look at the course schedule on that. Okay, and so what you're going to be asked to do is watch this video, right? So here's a video, and introduce yourself, and then comment on the video. Okay. If you have any questions, do let me know.